Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Die. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Dies Shorts. And the other day I mentioned that there's a bunch of new online exclusives coming in March. But as a demonstrator, we are able to pre-order them a month in advance. So I got my stuff the other day, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to do a fun unboxing and show you some of these new things that we could get. Because you can also get them now if you join my team. You can put them in your starter kit, so it is like a win-win. So I didn't get everything, but I got mostly everything. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I'm in the cold, rainy Santan Valley, Arizona. It is really cold here today, and just miserable out. So it's a good day to have your long sleeve top on and be in the nice warm house. So I hope wherever you are, the weather is nice. So all right, so yeah, that's what I'm going to do today, and I will be watching live with you during the premiere. So I will be in the chat area, so if you have any questions or anything, just hop on over to the chat and we can talk over there. And if you are watching excuse me, the replay, you can if you leave a comment below, then YouTube will let me know that you have a question or a comment, and I can reach out to you. So yeah, so I'm going to turn the camera, so close your eyes just for a second while I get adjusted. The other day I showed you this flyer thing, and this will be available to everybody in March. But like I said, you can join my team now and get the stuff in your starter kit. This was just extra stuff that's been added for celebration. And so the stuff came in. So I'm going to show you what I got. And I haven't even opened everything. So this is the Zinnia, Flowering Zinnias DSP. And I only got one designer series paper. There was also a coffee bundle, and I did not get that. It doesn't mean I won't be getting it, but I didn't get it yet. So there is designer series paper for that, but I didn't get it. All right, but look how pretty this paper is. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. And I don't know if there's a die as well. Let me see, where did I put the zinnias? Hold on a second. Zinnia, 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 and Zinnia. All right. Because there's a stamp set, a folder, and a die that coordinates with it. And I'll show you that more later. But I'm just wondering if any of these dies, because a lot of times the dies will cut out stuff from the paper. So let's just see here. Let's see. All right. I'm like going out of order, but so it could. All right, so I'm just going to set that aside. All right, so we have this beautiful paper. So there's one side, and then the other are these fun little flowers. And so to me, this is I always have a favorite side, right? Or one I like more than the other. And so this is definitely my favorite side. Look at this one here. This one is so pretty too. I like when we do the half sheets, because then you can cut it down here, cut it in 6, and then you have like identical, pretty much identical paper. And if you trim it smaller, then you can stamp above here. So it's great. Ooh, I do like that. That is really cute. Look how cute those would be together. All right, so let me spin these so that we can see the different designs there. So again, this was zinnias. So there's a whole bunch of little tiny ones. And then some pretty, it looks like petal pink. They look like polka dots, but they're actually tiny, tiny, tiny little flowers. Ooh, so look at how pretty that is. So this is really cool. It looks like you've stamped with Versamark, where you just get that watermark look. So I like that. And then the back is some little X's and O's almost. So far, I haven't seen anything off the top of my head that cuts out the dies. Excuse me with my throat. So there is some cute leaves, and then the stripes are adorable. This kind of reminds me of farming, right? In the cornfield or something. All right, then we have these. So I don't know if, I don't think that would cut that out. Let's see. Let's see. If anyone, it would be this, if it does. So let's see. No, that's a little smaller. And sometimes you got to wiggle it around. But that looks like it's too small. Not that I can see. All right, pretty, pretty, pretty. Was the other one bigger? But that was too big. All right. And then the back. Oh, I like that as well. All right, so yeah, so I didn't see any of the Designer Series paper. Now, I could be mistaken. I could totally be mistaken. Because, like, I haven't played with it or anything. All right, so that was the pretty zinnia paper. All right, so now let's go to the stamp sets and the dies and stuff. I'm going to flip this around because I like to flip them this way, and I'll put my label on here, so it'll have a label on the front. And then if you flip them this way, and then it has a label back here, you can close it, and it's not catching. If you flip it this way, when you close it, this little flap here catches on the die. So if you flip it this way, you don't have that problem. Okay, so let's get our Simply Zinnia. This is a cling. It is gorgeous. And I love these little, like the little, they almost look like little stars, right? That are coming out of the flower, but it's so pretty. I can't wait to color that. Oh my gosh, I can hardly wait. It's a perfect size. It's just screaming, color me. All right, so this is the Zinnia 3D embossing folder. And that looks so nice too. Pretty, pretty, pretty. All right, so that is part of that Zinnia collection or whatever. All right. Then there's the adhesive back shiny sequin. So I don't know if that's part of the Zinnia or not. All right. Now this here are the adhesive back swirl dots. Now this is part of the coffee set. But I got the embellishments even though I didn't get anything to do with the coffee. But look how cute they are. They do look like the foam or whatever on top of the coffee. So they're cute. All right. Then there's the embossing folder, Fun Patterns embossing folders. So these are a 2-pack. And then I always, put the name. I guess I shouldn't be throwing these away till I get my labels put on. Silly Diana. All right. I was just throwing them in the garbage. All right, so I need that. So I need to keep this. So what I do is with my label maker, I go Fun Patterns, and then I'll go A, Fun Patterns B. And then that way I know that these two go together. And they're super cute. Look at those little flowers in there. And then these diamonds. You can see them a little better on the front, but those are adorable. All right, then we have the Sweetly Scripted. So you've got happy anniversary, congratulations, happy birthday, a million thanks, speedy recovery, and save the date. So those are really fun, and we haven't had for a while a stamp set that had those lines like that. And these are really, really cute fonts. This is kind of fun too, right? Because save the date, and then you could actually write the date in here, right? That's what I would think. All right, then we have Comforting Thoughts, and this has some really good sayings, for those tough times in life. I'm here for you. Cancer sucks. We're here for you. Healing, peace, rest. I'm so sorry. You can do this. You're not alone. I don't have all the right words to say. I wish I could make this better. Wishing you comfort. I hope this is a feeling better kind of day. Thinking of you, praying for you, hoping with you. I do have lots of love to give. There is no good card for this, which is, you know, an awesome one. For those times where, yeah, you don't know what to say, but you want somebody to know that you are thinking about them. So we have filled with love, and this is really, really cute. So you've got the little wagon, and there's your wheels, and the little handle, some balloons, some presents, some really cute little flowers, a banner, and it has a coordinating die. We have so many dies now, right? It's like crazy. My die storage is getting thicker and thicker and thicker. So look at how cute. So you have, you know, so it cuts these out. So you can cut these out. You can cut the wheels out, the flowers, the banners. Then you've got some plain banners. I love that you've got even that that rack or whatever that goes on the wagon so that the kids don't fall out when you're taking them for a ride. So this is really, really cute. So these are, like I said, these are some online exclusives that are going to start in March. But I was able to pre-order them now because I'm a demonstrator, and we can order early, you know, because of that. All right, and then this is the last, oh no, and then I have a ribbon. So Magnolia Mood. So isn't this really cute? And it's got some pretty fonts. And this is a cling. And then it also has a coordinating die. Cute, cute. So I've got to get my label maker out. Okay. And always open them up and make sure that, you know, it's all there. You got the right one. And then I just set it there. Eventually I'll pull them off of this, you know, sticky backed one, but just for now. But look at all the detail and stuff in that one. And then you've got one that's just open line. Very pretty. And then I put it in like this, just like before. I'll put my label right here. This goes on the front. And then this way, I can close this and it's not catching on anything in here because the die is in the front. So that's just, you know, just how I do it. And then look how cute this ribbon is. So this is the, what is this? Polka dot trim. And it's kind of like a burlap. Let's see if I can get my scissors in there. It's kind of like a burlap. Yeah, it definitely feels burlappy. With polka dots on one side and plain on the other. So that is super cute. Ooh, you can smell it. I don't know why I smell things. But anyways, so that is super fun. So those are, that's all that I got from that, the online exclusives for now. All right, so let me say see you later, alligator. So what is your favorite from there? They're all pretty fun. But like I said, there's a coffee one. I don't think the coffee one was on that flyer. Hang on a minute. I slept wrong, so my neck's got a crick in it. No, the coffee one wasn't on the flyer. So I may still get it. I don't drink coffee generally. It gets me all like jittery. So I have like a powder stuff I drink. It doesn't cause me to get the jitters like coffee does. If I do drink coffee, I have to put so much sugar and creamer in it that I don't really need those extra calories. So I was just like, oh, I don't need a coffee one, but I'll probably see something and go, oh, I needed it. So anyways, but those little embellishments that go with it are super cute. So you can always use embellishments, right? All right, so I'm going to say see you later, alligator. I am going to say if you are interested in any of these things now, you can put them in your starter kit. So if you need their item codes or costs or whatever, just reach out to me. I'd love to have you join my team. You have till the end of this month in order to get the glass mat studio for free during celebration. So, all right. So I'm going to stop blabbing. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great weekend. And I will see you Monday for my Mimeograph Monday with a Twist. That will be at 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. Have a good weekend, everyone. I'll see you later. Bye for now.